Everybody, Mrs. Mercier here. So I want to show you how to use MyBib today as a way to keep track of the resources you are using in your research to help you cite them. And MyBib is actually an extension. So if you go up here into your toolbar, it might be right here, or you might have to click on the three dots. It's going to look like this little guy with the arrow. So let's say you got information from a website and I got information about the Milky Way from Nat Geo. I'm going to actually click the MyBib extension on Chrome. If this is your first time using it, you're going to need to set it up. We are using MLA, which is Modern Language 8. So we're going to click that. It'll give me a couple of pieces of information that you really need to know. One, whether or not the source is credible. And you absolutely want to know that. We will get into a little bit more in depth to know that before you get to this point. But for now, this is a good starting point. This is what it's going to look like as a citation. You can copy it if you want. I'm going to tell you don't bother. And this is for an in-text citation. I'm going to click here to click Save to Project. And it's going to probably open it into a new tab. So it says you're about to add the following citation to your project. Click the Add button at the bottom of the list to continue. I'm going to click Got it. And I'm going to click Add one citation. And I have added my citation. So here's something. So that's just for that. So one of the things I want to show you is that you can actually now name this project. So we're going to rename it, and I'm going to name it whatever my research project is, which it happens to be the Milky Way. So you're going to name it. And what's really cool about this is that now if you go into, let's say, BrainPOP, and you search up Milky Way, and I found something, I'm going to click the link. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. I'm not going to click the link. I'm going to click MyBib. And it says it might be credible. I know BrainPOP is pretty credible, so I'm going to go with it. I'm going to click Save Project. And you can see right here, this is highlighted. So this is the project I'm going to save it to, is my Milky Way project. And I'm going to add this citation to my Milky Way project. So here's my Milky Way project. And here are my two resources that I'm going to use. And that's it. Have fun collecting your resources. This is a great way to make citation really, really easy for you.